Hi everyone! So, let's continue po with our special products. So, last time what we had po is yung ating sum and difference and square of binomials. So, now let's have cubes of binomials naman po. So, first thing, let's have our pattern for cubes of binomials. So, if you have a plus b cube, okay, so just cube po yung first plus 3 times the square of the first term. The second term, das plus ulit, yung squared, lipat nyo lang dun sa b. Okay, it will be 3ab squared, and then yung ating last term will be b cubed. Okay, so, again, you have to cube, then 3 times squared ng first times b, tapos yung padalawa, lipat lang po yung ating squared dun sa second term, and then last term will be cube of the second term po. So, kapag minus, ganun din. Ayan, so cube nyo lang, but the second term will be minus, then 3a squared b, tas plus ulit, 3ab squared, and then minus. So, alternate po yung operation natin. Minus, plus, minus. So, for example, we have here x minus b cubed. Okay, so I'll be rewriting it big. X minus 5 cubed. Okay, so again, first term natin, i-cube yung x. First term. Okay. Minus 3 times first, tapos squared, times 5. Second term will be plus 3, lipat yung square dun sa second term. And then last term nyo will be cube ng 5. Okay, so we got x cubed. We got 3 times 5, that is negative 15x. 3 times 5 squared, so this will be 3 times 25. So that will be 75x. Then last term natin will be 5 cubed, which is 125. Yan, ganun lang po. Basta dun sa ating middle terms po ay lumilipat yung squared. Okay, next, number 2. Okay, so y plus 3 cubed. So since this is plus, lahat po ng ating sign will be positive. So we get y cubed plus 3 times y squared times 3. Lipat yung squared sa 3. So we get 3 times y times 3 squared. Then last term, cube po natin yung 3. Okay, so we get y cubed. 3 times 3, we get 9y squared. 3 times, this will be 9. 3 times 9, that will be 27y. And then 3 cubed, that is 27. Okay, and then for number 3, we get m plus 1 cubed. Okay, so we get here, ayan, so since plus ulit lahat ng ating sign, so positive lahat ng sign, you got m cubed plus 3 times m squared times 1. Next, lipat yung squared sa 1, we get 3 times m times 1 squared, then cube root ng ating 1. Okay, so we get m cubed. 3 times 1, we get 3. 3m squared. 3 times 1 squared, so that is 3 pa din. 3m plus 1. Okay, and that is our cubes of binomial po. So again, cube, tapos times 3, lipat lang yung squared first, naka-squared, tapos times b, lipat yung squared dun sa second term, and then cube ulit. Kapag minus, alternate po yung sign natin, positive, negative, positive, negative. If na-confuse naman sa ganun, pwede naman positive niya lahat. Pero make sure that your second term, pag nilagay nyo dito sa ating p ay naka-negative. You will still get the same answer. Thank you, guys.